people, Igbo Queen. Queen, 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 Queen. So when you come to Igbo land, right, and you want to hail them, maybe they are gathering like this, people are sitting, 5, 6 persons are sitting, and you want to greet all of them, you want to hail them. You can be like, Igbo Queen, Queen. They will be answering you, yeah, Queen, yeah, Queen, yeah, Queen, yeah. Kwesienike. They will all respond, yo. So that's why I'm hailing you guys. Yes, my Igbo family. How you guys doing? How is the learning going? How is everything? So I'm just relaxed on my bed. So just feel like asking you guys, are you finding anything difficult? And I've been meaning to ask. I've been getting comments. I've been getting a lot of comments. People are asking me to do popular Igbo insults. Do popular Igbo insults. Not to use though, but yes. So they will be able to recognize when they are being insulted using Igbo language. So I want to know, you that is watching me, if you are in support of that. Because I don't know, it's somehow to me. I've done the video already, but I just want to know whether it's something you'd want to watch before uploading. Do you get? So that when someone call you, names that are not pleased, you can easily dictate that yes, this person is insulting you. Okay? So that's why I'm really asking if you want to watch it. I can upload it for you, What you want is my priority. So you just have to help me so that I'll help you. Type what you want to watch, then I will do it for you. I will create the content for you. That is why I'm here. So if you're just joining this family for the very first time, you are highly, highly welcome. Ahambo Onyinye. My name is Onyinye, but you can shorten it. You can just call me Oni. Yes, Oni, Onyinye or Oni. The full name is Onyinye Chukwu, which means God's gift. But you can shorten it, Oni, gift, or Onyinye. So you are highly much welcome. And don't forget to click the subscribe button to join the family. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to share this live. Okay? Yes, keep joining, guys. I really appreciate all of you for joining this family. You are part of the growth, and we are growing. Now we have 447 subscribers. And with your support and encouragement, I believe you will share this video or share any video you watch so that other people can see it, learn from us, and also join the family. So that is why we are here. We are growing day by day, and thank God for that. So there is this video I posted. It's a short actually. I uploaded it. When was that? It was 2 days ago I uploaded it. So I explained how, yes, I explained how you can pronounce this our language correctly. Some people call it Igbo, some people call it Igbo, and that is not the right pronunciation, which I made that video in that short. So one of my fans, yes, one of our subscribers asked the question, how will you ask someone, where are you from, or like, are you Igbo or something? It's very simple, and I promised that person, I promised him or her, I don't know whether it's a he or she. But I'm sure he's from, or she's from United States. Yes. I promised the person that I'm going to do a video on that. So I will use this opportunity to tell you how you can ask someone, where is the person from, whether the person is from Igbo or whether the person is from another tribe. Okay, so you can simply ask the person, Igbo onye ebe, Igbo, onye ebe. So where are you from? Do you understand? Igbo onye ebe. So the person can answer based on the state or based on the tribe. Abum onye Igbo. Abum onye Igbo. I'm an Igbo person, like Abum onye Igbo, right? Now, if the person is answering based on state, the person can now answer Abum onye Enugu State, or Lagos State, or Anambra State, or any state or any country where you are from. But the question is Igbo onye ebe. Are you from where? Kedu side or kedu mpaghara? See, I'm speaking English. The side. So don't mind me, guys. So you can simply say kedu mpaghara Igbo. What part of Igbo are you from? Kedu mpaghara Igbo. So when the person answers abum onye Igbo, you can now ask kedu mpaghara Igbo. What part of Igbo are you from? So the person can now answer abum onye Ebonyi State, abum onye Enugu State, abum onye Abuja, abum onye United Kingdom. You understand? So that's how you ask that question, and then the response to that. I hope it's clear. Now, we are still in the season of love. Valentine is approaching, and this coming Saturday, yes, I will upload a video, Valentine phrases, so you can practice it, learn it very well, so you use it on your Valentine. Okay, so it's a Valentine phrases. I especially made it for this Valentine coming. So get ready to receive the video, and after watching, please don't forget to share that particular video. I beg you. Don't forget to share that particular video, or any video you watched. Don't forget to share it, because the more you share it, the more other people sees it. Do you get? And don't forget to like. Yes, I discovered something. You watch my videos, but I get lower likes, and I'm not pleased with it. I know you love the videos, but please try as much as possible to click on the like button. Let me tell you one secret of liking a particular video. The more you like a video, the more YouTube recommends it to larger audience. Do you get? So please, when you watch a video, share that video, like it. Most importantly, like that particular video. As many like as a video receive, that is when the YouTube will now find that video very interesting, and then recommends it to other people that might need it. So please try as much as possible. Okay, thank you so much for everything, your subscriptions, your likes, your shares, your watch, everything. Like, I can't thank you enough, and I'm super grateful. So guys, tell me where you are finding it difficult, what you would want me to change or bring in, and I promise to do movie review and music reaction. Movie review in the sense that particular movie you love so much, they are mixing English and Igbo in it. Tell me the title of that video. I'm here to translate it for you, to tell you what they are saying in that video. Okay? And music as well. So very soon you start receiving the videos, the movie review and music reaction. All right, guys, take good care of yourselves. Thanks for joining me this night. It's past 11 p.m. here in Nigeria. Tell me the time. What's the time over there? What's the time in your country? I would love to know, please. And tell me the things you would want to learn, things you want to watch. And also tell me if I should upload the popular Igbo insults video, if it's something you would want to watch. All right, guys, have a beautiful day. If you're going to bed, sleep well. If you are going to work, depending on your country, all the best. I pray you have a productive day. If you are sleeping, I pray you have sweet dreams and sleep tight, okay? Take care. Bye bye.